I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by signing into the Xbox app using your Microsoft account so your friends list syncs. Once signed in, make sure the Xbox app and Windows have microphone permission. This ensures audio routes correctly. Next, plug in or pair your headset, then open Windows sound settings and set your device as the default input and output. Doing this first avoids connection delays and prevents muted audio later. Now you're ready to open the app and create or join a party. Now open the Xbox app and go to Parties. Choose Create Party to start or join if you have an invite. You invite people from your Xbox Live Friends list or copy the party link and send it in chat. This is faster when friends are on different platforms. Once everyone joins, use the party UI to mute mic, adjust individual volumes, and pick spatial audio if supported. These controls improve clarity and keep background noise down while you coordinate gameplay and strategy. Finish by testing your microphone inside the party, speak, check input levels, and make sure Windows privacy still allows mic use. If game audio competes with chat, open Sound app volume and device preferences to route app audio to your headset. If something goes wrong, first restart the Xbox app. If that fails, run the Windows Audio Troubleshooter and recheck drivers. Remember, most problems are permissions or device selection. Fixing those gets your party chat back fast.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.